Bitcoin price maintains a positive outlook buoyed by increasing demand for the spot BTC ETFs as institutions and traditional investors stream into the market buying ETF shares on stock. Exchanges like Nasdaq boost capital inflow, which in addition to fueling the rally, backs Bitcoin as a mature global asset. Following the dip to $48,000 on Tuesday, amid the instability caused by the unfavorable US CPI report, Bitcoin embarked on an up-facing trajectory that has seen it blast above $52,000. Altcoins also reacted favorably, moving in tandem with BTC. Ethereum, for instance, soared above its January peak at $2,700. The largest smart contracts token shows signs of climbing above over $2,800 on Thursday and rallying above $3,000 in the next few days. Probably other altcoin majors like Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Uniswap surged in double digits in the last 7 days. Sol, at the forefront of this rally, hit at $118 mark by 240 and 240 seconds people. Retime meter featured by 540 with second time meters of $14 across the categories, $502 a month. We're going to start with some of the main. While the 2024 bull run will be driven by Bitcoin, analysts expect the capital to rotate to different altcoin classes with time. According to Rec Capital, a popular analyst and trader, capital currently flowing into BTC from fiat will start to redistribute to large cap altcoins, followed by mid caps, and lastly, low caps. BTC has rallied plus 35% in the past 4 weeks, and all that capital is going to have to rotate somewhere after the current move cools down. BTC, crypto, Bitcoin, Rec Capital. February 15th, 2024, this outlook of the market and bull run projects could imply that it is a good idea to diversify the crypto portfolio to include Bitcoin and different altcoins based on their market caps. Bitcoin is currently the most valuable digital asset with a 52.3% dominance, translating to a $1 trillion market cap. It is common practice for investors to sell BTC as it rises and take positions in altcoins, which tend to join the later stages of the bull market. And read also, Bitcoin tops $52,000. But why are these 5 altcoins to buy soaring even higher? And the spot ETF was a much needed investment product, as it gives institutions and traditional investors access to Bitcoin and crypto without dealing with the complexities of a market. Less than 2 months since the ETF started trading in the US, more than $4.2 billion in cumulative total net inflow has been achieved. For 14 days in a top measure row, the daily total net inflow sustained an upward streak. According to SoSoValue on February 14th, the total net inflow for Bitcoin spot ETFs was $339 million, marking 14 consecutive trading days of net inflows. Grayscale ETF GBTC experienced a net outflow of $131 million in a single day, while Invesco's Bitcoin ETF BTCO saw a, quote, double. Wu Blockchain, February 15th, 2024. In addition to increasing demand for BTC, this spectacular performance validates Bitcoin's expected rally in 2024, coupled with growing optimism for the halving due in April. The risk appetite for Bitcoin is soaring to the roof, thus keeping prices moving higher. The prevailing technical structure on the weekly chart shows no signs of the uptrend taking a breather in the short term. Traders were quick to jump on the dips below $51,500 on Wednesday, which aggressively ignited momentum for gains above $52,000. It is becoming apparent that $52,000 is turning into solid support. For intraday traders, keeping their current positions open would allow them to take liquidity above $53,000. The moving average convergence divergence backs the bullish thesis above the $4,000 mark. And if short-term support
at $52,000 is breached, Bitcoin could retest the $50,000 level to collect the client as people buy the dip.
And make this 7 précis of a big fixed device. This is true. People diverted. Now here's why, but even though the alleged Justin, Telefonica Partners, Chainlink, boosting security against SIM swap scams, and then you got to Whale, offloads $400 million in Doge, to Robinhood price to hit nothing again.